Dozens of different programs, approximately 1,500 participating students, 11 different hosting school districts, preparing today's youth for tomorrow's workforce. The Charlevoix-Emmet Intermediate School District's Career and Technical Education programs. Let us take you inside Char-Em CTE in 90 seconds.
There is definitely something mesmerizing about watching sparks fly when someone is welding. The need for welders is everywhere and is currently one of the fastest growing, most in-demand areas of the skilled trades. But how exactly do people become welders? In the welding program, we learn and practice our welding skills for jobs and employment that are immediately available.
Yeah, you might be getting too hot towards the top, or you're long arcing. You're starting to, as you're welding, and when you get to the top, a lot of times people start doing this and rolling that rod back. That'll cause it to long arc.
We work with all different kinds of metals and learn how to use the tools involved in welding materials together. We start with classroom instruction and lessons and progress our abilities through lots and lots of actual hands-on practice, be it for fabrication and industry or even for artistic expression and display. We learn and master the skills of the welding industry.
Yeah, your weld looks really good right there. You set it at 168, 16.8. You want to make sure you penetrate that heavy-duty half-inch rod first and bring your weld down to the bottom because that's 11 gauge.
From MIG welding to arc welding, from flux cord arc welding to TIG welding, from proper safety procedures to metal preparation, we experience it all. Mastering our skills as welders during high school prepares us for tons of employment opportunities. Did we spark your interest?
Good job, sir. Good pass. Open route. First open route pass you had.
Thank you for checking out Char-Em CTE programming in 90 seconds. For more information on program offerings, locations, and enrollment, visit your high school counselor or contact the Char-Em ISD Career and Technical Education staff.